Welcome back, guys. It's Big Ben Crypto here, and yes, we're back with another passive income video today. Now, today's video is going to be a little different, but it's all around the same idea of passive income and what's not. But before we jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, today's project is called the Neighbours. I believe this is one of the, if not the coolest NFT/node project I've seen so far. I believe this is the coolest one I've seen so far, to be quite honest. Just luck. But before we get into all the good stuff, let's head over to the white paper. And I'm not going to spend extremely long on the white paper because it's not extremely long, to be quite honest. It's very short, precise, and that is the way how I like it. Now let's head over to the introduction. The Neighbours is an NFT-based metaverse game that runs on its own DeFi protocol, where the community can buy virtual real estate and start earning daily passive income. Now, I just from that line, we know this is something here. We know this is something that, I like the concept already. The Neighbours is an NFT-based metaverse game that runs on its own DeFi protocol, where the community can buy virtual real estate. Yes, virtual real estate, and start earning daily passive income. So basically, it's pretty cool, to be quite honest. Unlike the real world, every single asset can be bought, sold, or traded through the NFT market. Property owners will be able to contribute and grow the platform's ecosystem. Neighbours will also be able to participate in the governance of the platform, which we should be, via the decentralized autonomous organization, which is basically a DAO, where they can exercise voting rights on key decisions of the ecosystem. We have dedicated our time and energy towards establishing and founding a proper understanding of our landscape. We strongly believe in the future of NFT gaming that brings a new sustainable passive income. Love it. The competitive analysis help us identify how our protocol will fit into this. The competitive analysis help identify how our protocol will fit into this broader environment. We have understood the gaps that needed to be breached. Okay. And are looking into how we can fill these gaps. In addition to this, we have defined our niche and identified our competitive advantage based on the strengths of our platform, thereby setting us apart from the competitors. And I do believe they are set apart, to be quite honest. I really do believe it. Let's see their mission. Pretty short. We are a community-driven project, and one of the most important things for us is sustainability. As such, we are always looking forward to ways to create a perfect reward system for our protocol. We are proud of the fact that our project has a strong focus on being the model for sustainability when it comes to DeFi projects. Our visions and aims are bringing real value to virtual real estate. I believe this is a huge, I believe that in terms of let me just put Neighbours aside, but in terms of virtual real estate, I believe this could be so huge, and I just believe that a lot of people are sleeping on it, to be quite honest. But since the Neighbours are being intertwined with virtual reality and buying and selling the virtual reality, I meant to say virtual real estate. Sorry, my bad. I like it. I support this project 100%. So the next vision is to build an NFT market ecosystem where you can buy, sell, and trade your assets to increase your daily rewards. Create collaborations with brands to boost the value of your NFTs, build an exciting metaverse for the community, and bring forward an improved transparency governance model based on the DAO. Okay, so let's meet the NFTs. So there's the condos, which is basically for 4 neighbor tokens, the family home, which is 7 neighbor tokens, and the mansion, which is 10 tokens. All properties and home decorations, which is basically the assets, are non-fungible tokens, which are NFTs, which are virtual tokens minted on the blockchain for digital scarcity, security, and authenticity. They are unique, indivisible, allowing for true digital ownership. I'll check out the notes. It says every time a player purchases a home or a condo or a family house, or mansion, they are purchasing a node that is linked to the property. Each node will be offering services to the network, like approving fast transactions, signing, helping these things to move across the platform. You are not only a property owner in the game, but a part of the ecosystem. You will be in a position to receive daily rewards and benefit from exciting new features that will improve the platform. Node ownership is an exciting part of a decentralized platform like the Neighbours. This is why our nodes are easy to set up, and they can be operated with no technical expertise. Property owners can decide to run a node by themselves or connect to a public provided node via the node RPC endpoint. And RPC endpoint, which is basically a remote procedure call, endpoint is like a node address. So yeah, that's it. Just check with the fees and taxes because we know this plays a very vital role in these projects. You know, this is real estate, so you have to pay property taxes. So the property tax is paid on the property which is basically owned by the person. Property taxes are one of the main sources of revenue to keep a sustainable protocol. We know this is true. Monthly property taxes will be mandatory for each property owner. In order to keep your property active, you simply need to keep property tax fees up to date. It's that we understand that. It says you basically have 1 month from the date you miss your payment until the property is deactivated. Owners will be able to pay a 12 monthly fee. Oh, okay, that's perfect. So you'll be able to pay 12 months in advance for your property fee. So my thing is, if the property is deactivated, is there any way you can reactivate it? Or send that question to the guys. So it says the price for the property tax for a condo is $10 a month in AVAX. The family home is $13 a month in AVAX, and the mansion is $17 a month in AVAX. So basically this would be $120 if you want to pay for the year on the condos. It says some taxes such as the claim tax have variable rates. It says for these taxes the rate depends on the category of your house. Owners will claim the rewards at any time, but it's subject to a 10% tax. We also have an anti-whale flex tax that will vary from 20 to 50% to protect the sustainability of our liquidity pool. That's crazy, boy. That is crazy. The claim to you basically got a claim tax of 10%. The flex tax, which is basically for the whales, between 20 to 50%, and the marketplace tax, which is 10%. That is crazy. So as you can see here, it says this is the utility of this is the utility and the tokenomics. The primary focus of the Neighbour token is to buy, sell, and trade the assets on the NFT marketplace. It says the function of the Neighbour token is basically to buy, sell, and trade the assets on the marketplace. These functions will create a closed environment for the Neighbour ecosystem and will ensure stability. In addition to the primary functions, Neighbour will be awarded to the property owners on a daily basis, and rewards will vary depending on the level of the property. So as you can see from right here, we have a 10% which goes to the team allocation, 50% goes to the Neighbour pool, 15% goes to the treasury, and 60% goes to the rewards distribution pool. And whoa, this is a very detailed plan. But it says with the condos, you'll be earning between 0.03 to 0.04 NEIBR per day, with the home decorations, the boosts. With the family homes, you'll be earning anywhere between 6.06 to 0.08 NEIBR per day, and with the mansion, you'll be earning 0.1 to 0.13 per day. Now if we look at this, well, this is crazy. So yeah, you guys can go and check this out. The pre-sale launch is, I believe, on March the 22nd, which is a couple days away. I believe this is a good project. I believe it's very different in terms of the metaverse, because there are a lot of projects that are saying, okay, well, we're going to have a metaverse, we're going to have this, we're going to have that, but as you can see straight off the bat, they're talking about the metaverse. I mean, like that. As you can see, this web page is very, very nice, very, very nice. So you could type in your neighborhood and try to search your street. It says, look at this, look. These look really, really nice. Look at this. Look at some of the things that I have. 360 virtual tour. So there's a nose. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this VR. Look at this. Look at this. Immerse into our future metaverse and visit your future home with our VR mode. This is crazy. I like this. I like this as well. I like this. I like this. So it says the Neighbour is an NFT-based. So I'm pretty sure we read this already. You guys can go and check out the demo here. Look at this. Look at this. Become a real estate owner. Look at this. I like this. As a real estate owner, you will have to take care of your property, furnish them to increase the value to be a part of it. Look at this. I love this. Each property is unique and they give you daily rewards, and the value may increase over time. So start building your equity. I like this. I like this. So you could basically put furniture in your home and basically increase the value of them. And I like this though. I really like this. It's very, oh, look at this. And we have pictures of the team as well. This is another check sign. This is one of the biggest check signs. I like this. I like this. This is really nice. Now, although I say this project is really nice, guys, don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. But on this project, NFTs, Metaverse gaming, there's gonna have the VR capability as well. This is crazy, guys. I love this. I absolutely love this project. Y'all guys need to go and check this out. Y'all guys really need to go and check this out. This is really nice. Here's the roadmap. As I told you guys, the pre-sale is the 22nd of March. Phase 2, they will have the NFT marketplace plus the public sale. So we're extremely early, but I would suggest, if you all guys do want to invest inside of the project, please get it early from the pre-sale. It's going to benefit you for sure. And then see it's in later down the year, at the end of the year, is when they're looking to integrate with the Metaverse and the VR and what's not. But yeah, you guys could check them out on Twitter here and follow them or connect to the Discord. And yeah, guys, this I believe this really has some if not out of all the projects that we reviewed, this has some really good fundamentals. But as I said, don't take this as financial advice. Y'all guys need to go and read the whitepaper for yourself. Make sure you understand before you invest your money when the 22nd comes. But I know on the 22nd where my money will be going, and it's in Neighbours. It's time for me to own some virtual real estate. So yeah, guys, if you all guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, let us become neighbors.